traditional home build takes months. These took just 20 days, from slab to turnkey.
I don't think anyone would be able to tell any difference because there isn't any.
These prefabricated module homes have gone up in Truganina. They're part of Metricon's pilot program. Almost everything except the slab was made in China. The panels are created in a factory, shipped to Australia in a flat pack, craned into position like Lego. It all comes together in a matter of days.
Amazingly, within 4 days of those containers arriving, we'll go from a finished slab to a completely locked up home. So you can have a shower within 4 days of slab being completed using this methodology.
It costs about the same as traditional building, but it's much faster. Australia is currently more than 112,000 homes short of its target of 1.2 million by mid-2029.
Home building activity has been slowed by rising construction costs and skilled trade shortages. There's also the Middle East conflict and interest rate hikes, which is why builders are starting to think outside the box.
We're not going to reach that target unless we do some things to amplify what we're doing today.
Melina Saris, 7 News.